September is the worst month of the crypto market as it has historically brought nothing but fear and large losses to holders. So, is there going to be another Bitcoin bloodbath on the way? What will happen this September? Be sure to watch until the end because in this video, we're going to answer all this. Hey, everybody. Welcome to the Millionaires Club. Here you'll find promising millionaires determined to learn more about financial markets and business spaces. If you happen to be new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button, so you don't miss out on a single video. Now, let's get right into it. Warning: September will be a Bitcoin bloodbath. According to data from CryptoRank, in the last 5 years, Bitcoin has faced big losses in the first month of fall. Bitcoin has seen only 2 favorable September in its trading history on the market, and they were in 2015 and 2016. The average trading result for the leader of cryptocurrencies in September is minus 5.56%. Given the average volatility of Bitcoin, BTC, it can actually be considered insignificant. Large September losses were observed ahead of or during bull runs, as the biggest tracked loss was at 19% in 2014. The second biggest September loss for BTC was monitored in 2019 when it was trading at about $9,000. Based on the current state of the market and some other factors like the September effect, the next Fed meeting, and the current BTC technicals, it is likely that Bitcoin will continue to go in the same direction as it has been for the past few years. Let's start with the September effect. Psychology of September effect. As we said, historical data shows that September was the worst month for Bitcoin between 2013 and 2021, albeit the years 2015 and 2016 are not included. At the same time, the average BTC price decline in the month is about minus 6%. Interestingly, BTC's poor track record across the past September months matches up with similar declines in the stock market. For example, the average decline of the US benchmark S&P 500 in that month is 0.7% in the last 25 years. Traditional crypto experts and chart analysts have called this annual drop-off the September effect. Analysts say that investors exit their positions after getting back from their summer vacations in September in order to lock gains, or even tax losses, before the year's close. In the meantime, they also point out that individual investors liquidate their crypto assets in September to cover the expense of their children's annual school costs. Plus, throughout and after the coronavirus pandemic, there has been a largely positive correlation between Bitcoin and the stock market. So, besides the September effect, these mirroring price trends can also raise the probability of BTC dropping significantly in the ominous month. Federal Reserve's upcoming meeting. Bitcoin's losses in 2022 were mostly drawn from fears of the Fed's rate hikes and the full unwinding of its $120 billion monthly bond buying program to combat rising inflation. But the market's narrative changed to hopes that inflation had peaked. The belief grew stronger after the U.S. Consumer Price Index, CPI, for July came in at 8.5% as opposed to the 9.1% in the month prior. This led to speculations that the Fed would scale back its tightening plans. It coincided with BTC and S&P 500 recovering small portions of their yearly losses. However, some analysts believe that Bitcoin's recovery might be a bull trap, a relief rally that is going to trap investors and holders who think the market has bottomed. Besides, most Fed officials still advocate hiking rates by 75 basis points at their upcoming meeting in September. This is due to their pledge and commitment to bring inflation down to 2%. As a result, September might see Bitcoin and the S&P 500 continue their current pattern of correction, targeting new yearly lows. Bitcoin technicals. A possible drop to $17,600. Technically, Bitcoin will drop toward $19,250 by this September if it breaks out of its current bear flag pattern. The 4-hour chart shows the bearish continuation setup. Meanwhile, on the daily chart, Bitcoin has been breaking down from its rising wedge pattern since the 19th of August. The profit target for the bearish scenario is close to $17,600. All in all, based on technical, fundamental, and macro factors, September 2022 seems to be another ominous September, and a Bitcoin bloodbath might be on the way. So, that's basically it. If you enjoyed today's content and found it helpful, make sure to go ahead and hit the like and subscribe buttons for more crypto news and updates. And now, what are your predictions on BTC prices this September? Let us know your opinions, experiences, and arguments in the comments section below.